We start with the equation, 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 equals 5 raised to the power of x. Next, we take the natural log of both sides. Taking the natural log gives us ln of 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 equals ln of 5 raised to the power of x. Using the power rule of logarithms, we rewrite this as 3x minus 1 times ln 2 equals x times ln 5. Expanding the left side gives us 3x ln 2 minus ln 2 equals x ln 5. Now, we collect all terms involving x on one side. We rearrange to get 3x ln 2 minus x ln 5 equals ln 2. Factoring out x gives us x times 3 ln 2 minus ln 5 equals ln 2. Finally, we solve for x, resulting in x equals ln 2 divided by 3 ln 2 minus ln 5. Now that we have our solution, let's check the options. We find that this matches option D.